Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix iPhone restore issue. So let's get started by going to our PC and type iTunes in the search bar. Make sure to download iTunes and menu like this saying there is a problem with iPhone, so you can either update it and keep data, and if it still does not work you will have to restore the iPhone or take it to the shop. So click on update and it will start loading. After that, this message pops up saying if your iPhone cannot be updated, you will need to restore your iPhone, as I said earlier. After that, updating will be started. You can see the update size in the top right corner. Once update is finished, you can restart the iPhone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.